cook in nature and build snowman. And we wanted to see how it feels like cooking in snow.
So, Orat, you happy?
Who is with you?
My little brother.
And our little brother is sleeping, I think. We don't know.
And we will be showing him later on.
Yeah, so he know how the snow feels like because he's never been in the snow.
Yeah, this is his first time. Guys, do you want to see my snowman? I made it. Super special. Right here. I know it's the best. Make sure to like if you like it. Hey, don't do that. My poor snowman.
Bye-bye.
Oh, fuck. You can't do that. You wanna, let's kill this snowman. Wow. So my mom and dad are making a fire pit and
They are gonna make the fire so they can cook the fish.
yeah, guess what we're making tonight?
Fish?
Kabob!
No,
Snow fight?
So we're making a base, and this is how mine is so far. It's like really good because we're gonna be doing a snowball fight, and I have no one, but my older brother has. Arsham has my little brother, Arash, and right now I'm trying to make like a curve. So whenever he's trying to hit me over here, it won't hit me. So yeah.
So it means you are making a bunker. Let's see.
Guys, so this is mine. It's pretty, like, tall, but my sister's, like, compared to mine, it's, like, bigger. So I'm trying to, like, make it taller, so she cannot hit me. Like, if it's tall, she can only hit the fence wall. And my brother's going over there getting some snowballs. Or like, get some snowballs and put it over here, okay?
You guys should definitely come to the Tahoe so you guys can make a lot of stuff. You guys can even make a base. Like you can make bases. So whenever you guys want to sit down, you guys can lay a blanket, then you guys sit down. So you guys don't have to sit down on the snow.
Wow! Guys, the snow in here is so good. Now let's get the snow and here. Go here. I told him to do it. Good job, Laura. I'm gonna make it sometime.
So, right now we're drinking tea because we want to be warm when we do the snow fight. So, yeah, and my mom made the tea because she's good at it.
And in that tradition, we do snowball fight.
Are you happy?
Or if you're happy here in the snow,
You nodded his head and everything.
and who's ready for the snowball fight?
I am.
I am too. Are you ready, Ola?
I'm a fish, snowball! Fish! Fish! Okay, so let's put on my gloves. weather's actually supposed to be but I'm just sitting here because I'm really cold, and me and him are really cold, but we're like sitting here to get tired.
And who's ready for fish?
And it's so cold in here.
And that's how it looks like.